Hey, what's up? Welcome to the section on Swift. So you probably were wondering as Jenna was teaching you about the friend book, it's like, we're writing all this code. I don't even know what this crap means. Like I'm just following what she's saying. And that was on purpose. We wanted you to see the whole process of an app from start to finish. And I think you learned some really good stuff. But now is when we're going to talk about Swift, which is the programming language we use to make apps. So hopefully we're going to answer all the questions you had during the friend book about why are we typing these things, why are these dots here, exclamation points, blah, blah, blah. And we're going to teach you a few more things. So in no way is this like an in-depth, complete coverage of everything in Swift because that would take a long time to cover. This is more of like the essentials, the hot list, like the stuff that you will use 90% of the time. There's this other 10% that's like really special cases that you may need to like look up stuff how to do, but like this is the core stuff that even when I'm making apps, like I don't really move outside of this list of stuff that I'm about to show you. So we'll dive into it. And in each of these lectures, I'm going to teach you something. At the end, I'm going to have a little quiz for you. I want you to pause your video and try and work something out before I give you the solution to it. So it's going to be pretty interactive. I think you'll like it. And by the end of this, if you complete it all, you're going to have a little bit of a Swift graduation. So be ready for that. And let's go learn Swift.